How to make a custom web app. So I have a website that I go to called the Strong Random Password Generator. It's just passwordsgenerator.net. Now, maybe I want to have an easier shortcut to this website in a window that isn't full-blown Chrome, because maybe I don't need the address bar up here. Maybe I don't need the back button and the refresh button, and maybe I don't need the tabs or any of the extra Chrome features. Maybe all I want to do with this website is have a button on my desktop that will quite simply display the web page. You can see there's no address bar, there's no back button, there's no shortcuts. It's Chrome. This is Chrome. It's just a very minimalistic uh, instance of Chrome. I'm going to show you how to make this. So all it is it's a shortcut. If you go to your desktop or any folder you want, you can right-click, go down to New, Shortcut. What item would you like to create a shortcut for? All right. First, we need to point it to the Google Chrome browser. So click on Browse. Then find this PC. Then find your C drive, local disk C. In there should be a folder called Program Files. Within there, another folder called Google. And within Google, another folder called Chrome. And within the Chrome folder will be a application file, an exe, called Chrome. And that is exactly where Google Chrome lives on your computer. So click that to select it, and then click OK. Don't click Next yet. Instead, we're going to add something on to the end of that. Put in one space, 2 dashes, APP equal sign. All right, and now we can put in any web address we want to. The easiest way, and the way that I recommend, is to just copy and paste it. So go to the web page that you want to make the app for. Go up to the address bar, right-click, copy. You can close out. And now, immediately following the equal sign, paste. So as we can see, we have the path to the Chrome, and then we're also passing a little bit of extra information on where we're telling Chrome, okay, we want to open up Chrome, but we also want to tell it to open up this web page in app mode. That's what's going on here. We want to open up Chrome, but more specifically, we want to open it up in app mode on that address. So now we can click Next. Type a name for the shortcut. I'm going to name this Password Generator Video, because I can't name it Password Generator simply because I already have one named that. So Password Generator Video. You can name it anything you want. It doesn't really matter what you put in there. Finish. All right, and now we have our new custom web app for the password generator. And it's Chrome under the hood, but it very minimalistic interface, so that way you can just focus on the page underneath. Now, if you ever end up clicking on a button that will open up in a new tab. Like maybe I want to go to that page, but in a new tab. So I'm going to middle click on it and let's see what happens. You can see that it opened up a Chrome window, a normal Chrome window, but our web app is still there. It just opened up the links in another Chrome window. Now, if the link is actually not pointing to, if you're not specifically asking it to open up in a new tab and the way that they've programmed the link isn't going to open up in a new tab, like if you just click on it and it would normally just open it up in the same tab, then it's not going to kick you out of the web app or anything like that. So that way, if you're in your, say, if you have a web app for your Outlook, right, or if you were to make the web app for, also if you ever need to change it, you can right click on it, go down to properties, and then you can change that text that we put in earlier. So maybe instead of app going to passwordsgenerator.net, maybe I'd rather it point to Microsoft.com. And then it opens up Microsoft.com in that mode. But maybe you want to open up your Outlook in that. So when you click on new emails, as long as it doesn't open up in a new tab, it's going to open up in the same window. So it's actually pretty convenient. You can play around with it, but it's pretty useful, pretty powerful, I'd say. And I have been enjoying using it. So hope this helps.